Hello everyone. In this video, we're diving into Profiler in Magento 2, a built-in tool that shows what's slowing your site down so you can fix it fast. No extensions needed. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. In this video, we will understand the Magento 2 Profiler, what it is, why it is used, how to enable it, and how to read the Profiler output to identify performance issues. What is the Magento 2 Profiler? The Magento 2 Profiler is a built-in performance debugging tool that helps developers analyze the execution time of functions, memory usage, loaded classes, and block and template rendering time. It helps you identify slow modules, slow queries, heavy templates, and other performance bottlenecks. Types of profilers in Magento 2. Magento provides two types of profilers: HTML profiler, CSV profiler. HTML profiler. The HTML profiler displays a profiling table at the bottom of the page. CSV profiler. The CSV profiler outputs profiling data in CSV format for deeper analysis. If your website is in production and you want to analyze performance without showing the profiling table to everyone, you can enable the CSV profiler. It logs profiling data into a CSV file, which you can later open and review. Enabling the profiler. To enable the profiler, run the following command: php bin/magento dev-profiler-enable. By default, Magento enables the HTML profiler. After enabling it, open your browser and refresh any page. You'll see the profiling table displayed at the bottom of every page on your website. Enabling the CSV profiler. To enable the CSV profiler, you need to specify the type: php bin/magento dev-profiler-enable. Magento will create a file named profiler.csv under the var/log directory. You can check the file using this command, var/log/profiler.csv. The data will look something like this. You can also open it using any CSV viewer such as Excel, LibreOffice Calc, or other tools. Understanding the profiler data. Timer ID, the function name, block name, or identifier of the process called on the current page. Time, the execution time for that function or process, how long it took to load. Average time, the average execution time calculated based on multiple page loads, for example after 100 loads. Count, the number of times the same function was called on the page. If this count exceeds, say 200, optimization might be required. Emalloc, the amount of memory allocated by PHP. Real memory, the actual memory used by the system. For example, if you have a custom controller in your custom module, for example Marketplace, you can check its corresponding entry in the profiler output to see how much time it takes. If any function, block, or controller takes too long, you can identify it here and optimize accordingly. That's an overview of the Magento 2 Profiler, what it is, how to enable it, and how to interpret the profiling data to improve your site's performance. I hope this helps. Thanks and have a great day. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.